In this video, we'll be showing you how to remove tape-in hair extensions. We'll be using a few different removers that can be used alone or in combination for tape-in extension removal. Vision's alcohol-based remover, C22 orange oil-based solvent, and Donna Bella's oil-based tape-in remover. Using a paper towel or cloth under the extension will prevent solution from dripping down the scalp. Apply Vision alcohol-based remover to the top seam of the extension. Start peeling the top extension using a pintail comb or your fingers. Apply more remover as needed. Removing tape-ins using only an alcohol-based remover will prevent you from having to clarify the extensions before retaping them, saving you time. Using a removal solution syringe filled with Vision solution will make it easy to get the remover in between the extensions for quick and easy removal. Sometimes after removal of the extensions using an alcohol-based remover, you may still want to use an oil remover to get out any sticky residue from the hair. With tape-ins, the longer they've been in, the stickier the residue can be that's left behind in the hair. If you plan on reusing your extensions and use an oil-based remover on the extensions, like Donna Bella or C22 removers, you'll need to thoroughly clarify and dry the extensions before applying replacement tape. Before reuse, you'll need to carefully peel off the original tape. This can be a bit difficult. Clarify and dry the extensions if needed. Then, simply peel off a strip of replacement tape, line it up, and stick it on. Your extension is ready to go. Thanks for watching! Give this video a like and subscribe for more hair extension information. Visit us at visionhairextensions.com for all your hair extension needs.